I look like a whole new person. Hold up. Damn, who am I? Hey guys, your girl Tiff, and today we're gonna be doing this makeup look for Turkey Day. Like Louis says, you can be the baddest perra out there. Not really out there, but at your dinner table with your family or friends. So yeah, if you want to get this look, this little cut crease look with my lashes and everything, just keep watching. So to start off, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1. It says it's a replenishing primer and setting spray, so you can use it as both. So spray that all over my face. For my brows, I'm going to use my eyebrow kit from City Color. To clean my eyebrows up, I'm using the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I used to use concealer, but I noticed that you can clean it up with your foundation and you won't have much of a highlight above your brow when you clean it up. And I'm just going to go in with a flat concealer brush. Okay, so now that you have your brows, you're going to go ahead and get your favorite eyeshadow primer. So the eyeshadow primer that I'm using is the Morphe Translucent Primer. Get some on your fingers and just put it all over your eyelids. So that way your eyeshadow can stay on all Thanksgiving, all day and all night. So for my eyeshadow palette that I'm using is the Morphe 35G Bronze Gold. So the color that we're going to start off with is this nude. It's called Sandy in the palette. And we're going to use that as our base. Next color we're going to use is this color right here. It's called Naked. And we're just going to do the same thing, but keep it more on our crease line. Now that we have our base color, we're going to start smoking it out. You're going to get a stiff blending brush to start smoking it out. We're going to go with Tan Up. Tan Up is like a brownish, but it has like a red color in it. And we're going to put that in our crease and in our outer corner and start blending it out. I don't know if you can tell, but you can start seeing a short line. So we're just gonna go back with the first color, Miss Sandy, and just start blending out that sharp line. And you can mix it up. You can get some Sandy and back to Naked just a little bit. Start blending. To finally smoke it out officially, we're gonna go with a more stiff blending brush, stiffer than the one before. We're gonna go with a black color. this one that I'm using. It's called Deep End. We're just going to put it in the outer corners of our eyelids just to create that smoky look. We're going to go back to the color that we use, Tan Up, and we're just going to blend out this part, putting it really close to the crease. So once we put in Tan Up, we're going to go back Sandy and Naked again and just keep blending up. Next thing we're going to do is the cut crease. This is number 105 Total Cover Up Concealer. Grabbing a little concealer brush, just put it on the tip of your eyelid. I find it easier to do this so they both come out even. You're going to cover a little bit of your eyelid like that, and you're just going to look up. And you're going to see that you have your crease already. You're going to follow that line, not make it any bigger, just up to where your eyelid goes. There you go, you have your crease. We're gonna go in with a little angled brush, and I'm gonna go in with the color Glow On, which is this color right here. It's just a light color with some glitter on it, and we're gonna put that all over our eyelid. Now that we have our crease on, we're going to go in with the same brush we used for the black and just start blending this line that we have right here. So with this little tiny brush, we're going to go in back with Naked, and we're going to put that under our lash line. Then we're going to grab the color Tan Up, which was the burgundy-ish brown color, and we're going to put that on the outer corners of our lower lash line to like the middle. And finally, we're going to grab just a little bit of the black and keep it right there in the corner. Now that we're basically done with the eyeshadow, you're going to go in with your favorite black eyeliner. I'm using the Anastasia Jet Black, just a gel eyeliner, normal eyeliner brush. And you're just going to draw a straight black line. We're not going to wing it out or anything. We're keeping it simple. And I'm just putting it in my top waterline because that helps blend out once we put on our lashes. You won't be able to see like our skin and the difference once we put on our lashes. Now that we're done with our eyes, we're going to start getting into our face. You're going to go in with your favorite foundation. Mine, like I said earlier, is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear. And I'm just going to go with a stiff foundation brush. Look how full coverage that is. I literally had a pimple right there. Now it's gone. Look at this. Gone. Freaking love this foundation. We're going to go in with your contouring stick. I'm actually using a foundation in Walnut. This is a Sephora brand. It's a foundation stick, but I use it as my contour. With a big fluffy brush, we're just going to blend out.
I just got my L's today.
Let me see.
Yeah, boy.
No.
Am I gonna be in the video?
Yeah, you are.
Sorry guys, that was my stupid question.
And when you're contouring your chin, you're gonna make sure you're gonna keep it under your chin and brush down so it blends out. Try not to go over it, and then you're gonna see your contour. You're gonna go in with your favorite concealer. This concealer, it's the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. We're gonna put it where concealer goes. And with a concealer brush, you're just gonna blend all of that out. With some translucent powder, I'm using Laura Mercier, however you say it. And I'm just gonna get my fluffy brush that I use for my powders, and we're gonna put a little bit where we put our concealer under our eye just to set it. We're just gonna let that sit until the end. I'm gonna go in with Too Faced Sun Bunny bronzer. You're gonna go over where you contoured. I'm using a fluffy angled brush for this. Then I'm gonna go with Glow Kit from Anastasia, and I'm just gonna start highlighting the points of my face. Then getting your blush palette or your blush, you're gonna start blushing the cheeks of your face. Now back with your translucent powder, you're just gonna get a big fluffy brush and start setting your face. And then you're gonna start taking off the powder that you were setting. I'm gonna go back with my Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1. So now it's gonna be a setting spray. Let that dry. For our lips, I'm gonna go with a brown lip pencil. We're gonna go in with Anastasia Ashton lipstick. We're gonna go in with the Kylie Jenner gloss. Now we're gonna put on our lashes. I still use Slay and Portray lashes. I'm gonna be using my favorite Boss. Start off, I'm just gonna be putting on some mascara. I'm using the Bad Gal Bang from Benefit. Slay and Portray also has her own glue, which is Slay and Portray glue. I look like a whole new person. Hold up. Damn, who am I? Yeah, anyways. That completes the Thanksgiving look. Thank you for watching and getting your makeup done with me. Now you can sit at Thanksgiving table being the baddest perra that you want. Like Louis says. If y'all don't watch him, y'all should. I still have the discount code with Slay and Portray. She has a variety of lashes and glues, and I'm sure she's coming up with more. Get your lashes because they're the best. But thank you guys so much for watching. Keep following my social medias at Tiffany Sotag for most of my social medias. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.